Hey, what's happening? What's going on? We are going to build a quick everyday look using Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions in medium. And we are going to start by going into this mid-range terracotta color. Next, using a slightly deeper terracotta color, we are going to go in and create a little bit of a transition between the lighter and the darker and lay that in the crease. And next, going in with our darkest shade of brick red, we're just going to build up the outer V. And I'm also going to carry that outer V's color down under my lower lash line. And going in with this central metallic shimmer, we are going to lay that using my fingers. And then going in with this really beautiful coppery gold, I'm just going to lay a little bit of that on the inner corner. And I went in with my lightest tone of Ivory from my Nude Drama palette because I wanted to have a light tone underneath the brow itself, and Huda Beauty Nude does not really have that for me. Next, with my Jouer Rose Cut Gems palette, we are going to go in with a little bit of Kiss Me for blush. And we're going to just stamp that on the cheeks. Going with the Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette, I'm going to top my cheeks with pink opal. Mercier, my translucent loose setting powder. We are going to dust it up, ladies, dust it up. So going in with Sephora Long Lasting Eyeliner in 06 Deep Brown, we are going to do a little bit of an eyeliner look here. Okay, so I did wanted to let you know that I added just a little bit of black from my Melt Muerte palette. I just felt like the look needed a little more contrast. Now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes and lash it up. Alright, just for fun, I'm going in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metals liquid glitter eyeliner in Gunmetal. You know, liquid eyeliners with glitter are so different than what I was expecting. I really expected them to be much more opaque. But there is something fun about using a translucent, so it's not necessarily a negative. like a little bit of Starlight. I really like it. So we're gonna go in with Sephora Gloss in Red Alert. I have not used this color yet. Oh my goodness, I know they do it for safety, but sometimes getting the shrink wrap off is a struggle, and I experience a little tiny bit of wrap rage. So Sephora Colorful Gloss Balm is super sticky, and normally I don't go for sticky, but I do kind of like the tone. What do you think? So I am really excited. I do have a lot of new products to share with you this month. I'm really excited to share several independent brands besides the Melt Muerte palette, which I am going to do like an everyday look. I haven't got to that video yet. And I've got a huge brush vault to really dig into and dive into. I have several new red lipsticks. Actually, I'm going to try to find a great Valentine's Day lipstick, and I have 10 lipsticks to go through, so I'm excited about that. And I think that this is going to be a super great year. So I want to thank you guys, as always, for joining me. And of course, please like, comment, subscribe, share if you're enjoying my work. I hope you have a fantastic day.